Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Service Management Leadership. Today's video is the 7th in our series on how to document an ITIL process. We've covered a lot of process-centric topics. Our last video, the 6th, was on tool. And so the natural progression would be reporting. And I want to talk about reports for a minute. Our ITIL process is only as good as what we can measure. How do we know how well we're doing? And if we're not doing well in a particular area, we need to be able to know that and coach and make provisions otherwise. So this reporting is huge, especially as it's built into the tool, even automated, because your stakeholders are going to want to know. They're going to want to know how we're doing, aren't they? They're going to want to know whether it's a dashboard or monthly metrics. They're going to care, hey, how are we doing? And so every report will have some of these aspects. Of course, it'll have a report name, the purpose. Purpose could be number of changes in a month, right? It could be number of changes in a month for this specific group. A description, report type. So within your ITSM tool, you have different types of reports. And so make sure you include what type, what visualization style, report sources, because if we're pulling from multiple sources, we need to make sure we're clear on those sources for our audience. We care about the field name in the report and its description, what fields are important to us, what filters are in place in those definitions, the person responsible for that report, the customer for that report, and those two are key because that relationship is going to be working to adapt that reporting over time. You know how it is. The customer will say, I know that it has 12 fields. Can you add a 13th, or can we bring that back down to 9? And so they're going to be constantly working out all of the bugs and all of the nuance for the first 6 months to a year. We also care about the report generation frequency. Do we want this weekly, monthly, daily, annually, whatever it is? We care about the report history, the updates, and the purpose for those because you do want change management on your reporting. Maybe not full change management, but you want some kind of documentation. You also want report security clarification or classification, because if there are some configuration items that are secure or have compliance, we need to make sure we understand who needs to know. And lastly, we need to know how this reporting matches up to our critical success factors and our KPIs, our key performance indicators. There should be a natural bridge from these reports on how the others are calculated. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel. Please like or share the video. Subscribe to our channel. Leave me feedback below. Connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd love to hear from you. And I hope you have a great, great day. Bye.